Hi everyone, welcome to DiVisFashionDiary. Are you a person looking for modern touch in your wedding blouse backside design? So, this video is surely for you. In this video, I have collected more than 30 backneck blouse design for weddings. So friends, if you are watching my video for first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will not miss my daily notifications. These are some of the trending and also traditional backneck blouse designs. These types of blouse designs will give you elegant look on your special day. For your special day, you want to look really special. So, don't skip the video, watch the video until the end. Select your favorite backneck design for your wedding or reception. I have collected trending backneck designs. This video you can find boat neck backneck design, keyhole backneck designs and also netted backneck designs. All these blouse designs are Aari worked. These types of blouse designs will really give you a rich look on your special day. So friends, don't skip the video, watch until the end, select your favorite design and ask your designer to design it for you. From this video, you can come to a conclusion without any confusion of wedding or reception blouse design patterns. For many young ladies, choosing a saree and also designing the blouse becoming very complicated these days. For that, this video will be helpful for you. After seeing this video, your confusion will come to an end, because you are going to look gorgeous by choosing any one of these designs. For simple and also paithani or boat neck or very simple plain blouse designs, you can check my playlist. There you will be finding plenty varieties of backneck designs. So friends, I think so you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and your comments are most valuable. Please note a comment for any suggestions, and if you are interested in any other topic, mention that also in comment. So in future we can prepare video on that topic too. Now continue watching the video. Meet you in next beautiful video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.